The Adolescent Brain Cognitive Development Study, or the ABCD study, is one of the more important observational studies in mental health science over the last few years. This is a very large study of pre-adolescent children that examines multiple aspects of mental health disorders, their risk factors, their biology, and their genetics. Lees and colleagues report important new findings from the ABCD study, and this shows the full range of data contained in the study. The authors examine relationships between environmental risk factors in the perinatal period, such as aspects of the pregnancy and delivery, associations with mental disorders, such as behavior problems, and their relationship to measures of brain structure. The important findings to emerge from this study are to demonstrate in one study relationships among these behavioral, environmental, medical, and biological factors. And this should generate excitement in readers to follow other findings that are going to come out over the years in this important study. Various lines of research implicate perturbations in dopamine with problems in cocaine use. For example, we know that cocaine acts on neurons that use dopamine as a neurotransmitter. One of the particularly promising areas of research uses brain imaging to examine the dopamine system in substance use disorders. Cassidy and colleagues report results from a new technique. Typically, brain imaging studies use positron emission tomography, or PET, to examine the dopamine system. While this is an outstanding technique, it has problems because it involves radiation exposure, which can be dangerous for patients. This important new study uses a non-invasive technique based on MRI, and it finds evidence that the dopamine system is perturbed in patients with cocaine use disorders. This should generate a fair level of excitement in the field because it suggests, with continued refinements, that it might be possible to come up with non-invasive techniques for measuring the dopamine system, not only in substance use disorders, but many other conditions where this neurochemical system has been implicated.